gone through medical school, you've gone through residency. The Pediatric GI Fellowship is really that first step in becoming what you really have wanted to do and what you've dreamed of doing.
Our fellowship program was one of the original pediatric GI fellowship programs in the country. We've been around a long time. Fellowship for Pediatric Gastroenterology is 3 years. The first 12 to 15 months are focused more on clinical work, whereas the remainder, 36 months, is focused on research.
It can be clinical, it can be basic research. We are very proud that our fellowship trainees are at the leading point in their research programs. And I think that is what sets us apart.
Our fellows are exposed to every area that our field has to offer. Fellowship allows them to have at least 18 months, if not longer, dedicated solely to research. We hope to attract fellows who have an intellectual curiosity in hopes of advancing our field.
Your education never stops, and that's true of anything that you do. And here at Riley, there is really the opportunity to see everything. We have motility testing, colonic motility, intraduodenal motility, esophageal motility.
I think it's important to remember we need you to be an excellent pediatrician first, so excellent clinical skills are equally as important.
It's kind of a nice way to get a very well-rounded education because we have that exposure to everything here at Riley. Riley is unique in that it is associated with the largest medical school in the country.
Riley Hospital is the only tertiary quaternary care children's hospital in the state, and with that we owe it to the children of the state to encompass all things pediatric gastroenterology.
And by the time the fellowship is done, we feel pretty confident that our fellows are very well trained in taking care of those patients and they're ready to be excellent pediatric gastroenterologists.
Patients seemed genuinely excited and hopeful to be able to participate with us as partners in research rather than seeing themselves perhaps as something like subjects.
It's really easy to get the education, the training that you need because we see all of those patients here.
I think what's most special is the amount of opportunities that every trainee really gets.
A well-rounded education is more than just about being here at the hospital. You get a lot of experience just with going outside the walls of Riley, sharing what you know, sharing what you learn, interacting with patients. There's a lot of local opportunities just to be involved, whether that's advocacy here within the state of Indiana, national advocacy and going to camps, walkathons.
Watching them grow, encounter struggles, and become more resilient is really what it's all about.
It's not just about serving a role or serving a function. For the trainee, it's about how can we maximize your learning and your education. Working with them and setting up their clinics, setting up their training, making sure that they have the opportunities that they need.
We'll support you and make sure that you see success.
This is a fantastic place to work and to train.
What I love most is working with such an outstanding team of faculty.
We care about what we do, helping each other out. We care about training our fellows to be their best.
Riley is an excellent place to work. We have the expertise that we need to serve really any patient.
I've lived several places in my life, and Indianapolis by far is my favorite place to live. There are so many things to do here, from watching sports to IndyCar racing to any avocation that you could like.
It's a very nice place to live. It is welcoming, it's quiet, it's safe. So there's a lot of opportunity just from a social standpoint as well.
The community is genuinely friendly and helpful, and the transition here has been nothing but smooth.
I will put our work environment and collegiality up against anyone in the country. We have the unique opportunity to recruit highly talented individuals from diverse backgrounds across the country and even the world.
If you're a passionate person about pediatric GI and hepatology, then we would love to see you here.